So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Emus.Farm.Project. So today we have managed to harvest our jackfruit at home, as I showed you in my recent videos. We have a tree here. So these are my bros. Yeah, this is our second born. I'm the first born. This is the third born. This is the fourth born. Yeah? So my sister's gone somewhere. My other sister's at school. So this is fresh jackfruit, as you see. It's fresh, as you see. It's fresh jackfruit, and it's grown at home. We didn't cut the tree. Let me go and show you the tree. So our bro has managed to climb up the tree and got this from the tree. So this is our tree, as you see. That is the jackfruit tree. So we are going to be enjoying our jackfruit. So this is the beauty that is in Uganda. I've decided to do such videos for you guys to enjoy. Yeah, this is the beauty in Uganda. Farmers, we enjoy fresh things in Uganda. This fresh jackfruit, as you see, even the size is still coming out, so-called masanda. It's called sa in English. So sa is even still coming out. So it's fresh jackfruit. So just stay around as we enjoy our jackfruit. So guys, I'm going to be enjoying my jackfruit, fresh one. Let me cut this. I don't know how it is called. It's called echitima in our language, in our Uganda. In English, but someone will tell me what this is called. So this is the beauty of Uganda. We eat fresh things, eh? There is sa here. So I'm going to be enjoying my jackfruit. If you need this jackfruit, just enjoy as I'm enjoying. Yeah. Enjoying our jackfruit. Home, eh? We are home, as you have seen my siblings. So, I advise you guys, you can get modified trees that do not grow so big. They're just small, short, but you can get your jackfruit, sweet one, fresh from Africa. So this is the beauty of Africa, guys. Everyone there, you should come out and try this fresh jackfruit. It's very fresh and it's yummy. Wow, this is yummy. I just wanted to share with you the beauty that we have, and to show you that this jackfruit is grown just at home. As you see my siblings up there, we are busy enjoying eating in an African way. It's good, yellow, sweet, just no yummy. So everyone out there, if you're watching my videos and you're not in Uganda, you should come out and try out jackfruit. You can contact me in the number on your screen. If you want to move around Uganda, I can help you get such jackfruit. So don't forget to subscribe, follow me on all my social media handles, and comment a video you want me to do for you. Big up, guys.